Hi there! Welcome back to my channel. I'm Ariana from Crafting Happiness and I post step-by-step tutorials and crochet patterns for beginners every week here on YouTube. Today I'm going to show you how to join two pieces of crochet with a slip stitch method. There are a couple of ways you can do the slip stitch method. One is through both loops of the stitch, the front and the back loop of the stitch. This will give you a thicker join, or through only one loop of the stitch, which will give you a smaller, narrower joint. To slip stitch through both loops of the stitch, start with a slip knot. Take the slip knot off the hook and insert your hook through the first stitches on your crochet pieces. Then put the loop back on the hook and pull it through. Now go to the next stitch, insert your hook underneath it and the other stitch on the second piece, yarn over, pull through a loop, and then pull through the loop on your hook. Do the same in the next stitch by inserting the hook through both loops of the stitch. So you will have two full stitches on your hook, yarn over, pull through. And this is how you join with the slip stitch method through both loops of the stitch. And this is how the join looks like. You can see it's a bit thicker. There are designs where this looks nice, not in this case. So let's take it off and I'll show you how to join through only one loop. So make the same slip knot and put your pieces back to back together, and instead of inserting your hook underneath the entire stitch, insert it through the back loop of the front piece and the front loop of the back piece, and then take your loop, put it back on the hook and pull through. And with the pieces together, insert your hook in the back loop and through the front loop of the back piece and make the slip stitch. And continue like so to join your crochet pieces. And let me show you how it looks like. As you can see, it's a smaller joint, a more seamless joint. And this is how you join two pieces of crochet with the slip stitch method.